Hi everyone, welcome again to S's Corner, and for today we will be doing some unboxing. Apologies for the orientation of that video because I've just realized towards the end while I was recording it that it was a different orientation. It needs to be on the horizontal one for YouTube, but I already did it vertically. And I don't want to redo the video and redo my reaction, so we're keeping it that way, and apologies for that one. And I'll be very mindful next time. Anyway, let's just get back to the unboxing. I've already opened it actually. This is a package from Abib, and as you can see, yes, as you can see, I've already opened this product because once I've opened, because I've got a pimple, once I've opened it and I saw that they've got this calming spot patch, I immediately open it and then put it on my pimple. Let's do a quick unboxing of this Abib products and on what I think. I'm actually excited. This one, I was thinking of purchasing a spot correcting spot patch, and I was just like, I need to buy a spot patch because I've been having some breakouts recently, and I was just like, I need those. But then since Abib, thank you Abib, since Abib sent me one, I immediately used it, and they're actually good. This is a Heartleaf calming patch. This contains Centella asiatica and tea tree leaf oil to calm your breakouts. So thank you for this. I've got this. What else do I have in here? This is the PDRN, can you see that? PDRN collagen lip masks. This lip mask contains rice bran oil, hyaluronic acid. Those are the things that I recognize. So let's open it. Oh, cute. Look at that. Comes with a spatula. So they've got the spatula in here. And look at that. Can you see it? I like the packaging. Can you see that one? The very gelatinous. It's got this texture. Can you see it? Got that texture. Smells nice as well. It smells like cotton candy. It smells like cotton candy. It doesn't taste like cotton candy, but it smells like cotton candy. I put it in my eyebrows. Put that on my eyebrows and my lashes. There you go. That's the PDRN collagen. It's a glazed jelly. It's a glazed jelly collagen lip mask. Put it in my eyebrows. Yeah. Next one is Glutathiosome dark spot serum, and I would assume it is the same as this one. I've already got one of these. I've been using this at the moment because I've got some breakouts. This is this one, Glutathiosome dark spot serum. The next one is the collagen eye cream. I've got this eye cream. I love this eye cream. This is what I use. If you see me, my evening routine, this is the collagen eye cream. It is this one. Then collagen eye patch. I've used this before and it is amazing. As you can see, I'll open it for you. If you're experiencing some puffy eyes or late night, so it's this one. This one's got some spoon to pick up your jelly as well. And the thing with this eye patch, it's not very noticeable. Like right now, I'm wearing an eye patch, and you wouldn't notice it underneath my eyes. Probably would, but yes, that's what I appreciate about this. It's not that noticeable. So this eye patch contains niacinamide. Have you guys seen that guy on TikTok and Instagram, Abdullah, I think his name is, and he kept on going on about niacinamide every time he gets some PR products from, because he wants to be a beauty influencer. Every time he gets some PR products from people. That was so funny. So this one's got niacinamide, some castor seed oil, some shea butter. Ooh, I didn't know that this got some shea butter. Collagen extract. So you've got that. And this one is a rice probiotic overnight masks. If you follow my page, you've seen me use this one before. So that was really good. And this one, someone on my comment section said that instead of using this Glutathiosome spot correcting dark spot serum, instead of using this Abib Glutathiosome dark spot serum for my acne, to use this Heartleaf TECA Capsule serum calming drop for the acne. Which, when I read that comment, I was just like really excited, because I was just like thinking, I got that! I got sent that product. So it's this blue one. Oh, green. Colorblind. It is this green one. This contains Hutuina cordata extract. What is that? This got niacinamide. This got butylene glycerine. I don't know. I need to research that one. Hutuinia cordata extract, asiaticoside, madecasic acid, and asiatic acid. I would think those are, because this is a Heartleaf TECA capsule serum. And so it's got turmeric root extract. It's got eggplant fruit extract. Anyway, so someone in my comment section said that I need to use this instead of this one for my breakouts. So trying them as soon as, though given my breakouts are sort of drying up. So we'll see. Next time I'll try this. So yeah, these are. Thank you so much, Abib, for all these products. And I just realized now, because I'm going to be posting this on my YouTube, I just realized now that Cinnarong, what do you call that? It's supposed to be like this, but it was like that on my phone. So apologies for that, YouTube watchers. But at the same time, I just want to thank Abib for all these goodies that you've sent me. I just want to say thank you, Abib, for all these goodies that you've sent me. I love all these products. There you go. There you go. I can't remember. Thank you again, Abib, and click like and follow to get more updates on when I try and use these products, okay? And I think that's it. Thank you again, and thank you again for keeping me company here in SS Corner. And till next time, bye-bye.